So I use Mario Bodies Cure. Why you don't wash off your face and you put on so much something on there a while ago?
We've been on a tragedy for months. Why can't you agree with me for once? Maybe we can be on chill tonight. Maybe I can give you chill.
Fully M all the time YouTube. I'm gonna start off with eyebrow them. As me I use pencil crayon and rub it on the I rub the base of the eyebrow them. Kinda line it up in a way, make it look nice and thing. You see me? Next way I use lipstick. Now that concealer, I use concealer under the eyebrow them. Yeah. Just take your time, rub it in and you see me? Make it pop out the eyebrow them a little way. You see me? Rub it in gently. You start rub it over the eyelid them too. No me I talk about enough people. You see me? Rub it in. You have to be gentle though. Don't bother follow her. Almost about her head. Just take your time and rub it in. Yeah, got the top part of the eyebrow them now. I kinda rub it in some more. Make it pop out a little, you know? Alright, next we are gonna move it on over your face and then we are gonna use highlighter over the item, cause it'll make the item to glow the item, so it'll make them lighter, you see me? So rub that over the item and thing. Just rub it in, use a little brush and rub it in over the item, you see me? Alright, go and do that for a while till you see your boat. Then we're gonna use more fade. Oh, yeah. See how it have a whole heap of color. You rub in the dark spot there. Oh, just make it light. Why you rubbing? Alright, shall rub in now. That's more the thump in here, man. Channel. I use a clean cloth and rub over the bruised eye. Rub it. Alright, so just make sure it's no matter and then take your time and rub out the bruised spot. Mad. You say it start glow again? Yeah, you just start use some foundation over the eyelid them now. You see me? Kinda get the popping color there. Use a brush and just go and rub it in. Then start rub on part of the bruised spot again. Alright, next we are going to use foundation again. Oh yeah, use foundation again. Oh no, sorry, that's a mascara. I use mascara. Oh no. You have got line right there, so right over your eyelash them. Right over your eyelash them. Just draw on some thin line. Go on back to your lipstick again. Rub on the eyelash them now. Kinda make it longer, kinda make it softer, texturize it. Yeah, I go for the gel now. Yeah, I rub the gel. You can't see what I'm I rub the gel upon the eyelash them. And just go and rub it out. Make sure it's set in a tooth. Oh, she be like, oh, no, she good. Alright. Then you're going to use a tweezer. Yeah, pull upon the eyelash them. Don't pull them out no. Just be gentle and pull upon them so they get longer. You see how? Alright, look there. The right one have what you length now, look for the next one. Next one short. And them something a girl them go on, you know. Alright, next we're going to use milk on our face and rub it in. Kind of moisturize it. You see how to get a nice natural look there. So then we're going to use true tone. So you get a true tone. I know you're true tone that money. No. Alright, so it'll give you one tone. But you probably tell like and a money tone. So we're going to rub it in still and rub it cheek them, rub over your lip, make sure you go some so you can rub over the top of your lip them, rub it on your cheek them, and just rub it all over your face. Don't forget that spot there. On your forehead, mama. Rub over your face and thing gently. Then we're gonna use the bar right now. Or down there. So when you get tired and you sleep and you get eye bag, you just use the one there and rub and hide the eye bag. You see me? But you have to make sure so you put enough so you not see no more eye bag. Rub it, rub it. Rub it on your next side too. No matter about enough people. So you want to rub it in till you get a look where you want. Then next we are going to use, oh wait, we have use the Indian dot and go for your nose, over your mouth, under your chin, and then take a fan book. Make sure it's dry. They use all that now. They use like a cotton and just pot all over your face. Where they use the the spot. You see me? Don't forget to spot by your forehead, mama. Just go and rub in everything. Make sure it's set. It not look too, too bold. You kind of rub it in a type of way. Alright. Go and rub in. Just be gentle on your face. Hold it, this up on your face too. Alright, next we use Sasha Buttercup. Kind of make your face buttery a type of way. Make it look like that. Make it look like that. You see me? See that nice look the way I get? Nice buttery look there. So you start use that now. And you pat all over again. Pat it in. Left side, right side, left side, right side. You see me? Kind of have some fun when you do it too. Kind of mix it up a little way. Left, right. You see me? Over your mouth now. Pat again. They do the Indian that again, but that one kind of bigger. And yeah, rub in. Alright. Yeah. What are the next now? Alright, we rub out them there. Use a brush and just rub all over your face again. Kinda get to blend in everything a certain type of way. You draw for your palette now with your brush. Start brush again. You see me? This which I put on now, name bronzer. You see me? That one kinda make your face look a type of way, like look clean. Look natural. See if you get that natural look you know? Yeah. This now. This again want your face a detailed look. So you rub it on your cheekbone, you rub it on your forehead right there so. You rub it on your nose too though. Look on body now. You rub it on her nose. Yo! I'm born for this now. You rub it on your nose now. Make sure it's have that nice look there. Nice look. Kinda, it's like for the professional makeup artists, them but want the thing shot as a type of way. You know, so when you touch upon the road, you see me? I rub out them you know, kinda make them feel out a type of way where you know to see it, but they the said way. You know. Alright, now you rub something else on the nose. Only for something this still now. Alright, so you draw for your next palette. And rub all over your face again. Rub your cheekbone them, sorry. Rub your cheekbone them a type of way. Rub your forehead again. Rub your nose again. Watch it now. Cha-cha. So you draw for that Indian palette you know. Mad. Alright. So you take a bigger brush this time. And start rubbing the cheekbone. Start this first. Always start this first. Cheekbone first, people. Most important rule. Cheekbone first. That look tough. Yo. That bad. That'll give your face like a gold look. Nice, nice, nice. Just rub it in from your ears to your mouth right the start of the line. So I use Mario body cure. Why you don't wash off your face and you put on so much something on there a while ago? How much? Oh, it no gone, people. I just a little bit of water you put on your face, kind of, wet it up. Then use a cotton again and just blend it in. Nice, nice. Use the next brush and rub out all of that mixture, Kind of smooth it out a type of way, you know. Yeah, more. After road, mama. Trust me. No joke. Rub the nose always, remember, rub the nose. Nose important as well as the cheekbone. Rub the cheekbone, then you rub the forehead, then you rub the nose. Then you rub forehead again, then nose, then above mouth. Or we put on the lipstick liner now. So, yeah, that's the use for your face earlier. So just use it back on your lip again. Yeah, look better on your lips still, but watch it. Alright. So then we're gonna use our next color thing, that tough. That color of the body. Yeah, mama, I hate touch road, everything drop down. Yeah, dog. Fully M all the time, Watch,
No
like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to our Instagram, fully.